everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. If you have never been or seen the channel before, I've come back to my local hide at my little lake that I like to visit. Show you around. The weather today is really nice. Got a couple of different little birds knocking about. Different songs I'm hearing as well. Hoping for the kingfisher as well, but I don't know if it's a bit too early at the minute. I don't know what they were I just had, but I'll put the images up in the vlog. Obviously, if you can, just let me know what they are. Obviously, I do use an app as well, and they do tend to tell me what birds they are. But I'll put some of the pictures up in the video right now for you, and we'll see what's about, what we can capture again. So I shall see you in a minute. The other robin, he likes to just wait around. You get a bit more time with the robin. And the grey tit and the blue tits, they're very fast. So I've been trying to get some of the where they fly away shots, but I've had this shooting at like 8,000 shutter speed, but they're that fast, they're just gone out of the frame. Let's have a look and see what shots we get. So when they move, it's nice and tack sharp in their eyes. Obviously I'll put the images up in the video. But it's a little POV of how I shoot. I've literally been out and put all the seed out on the little log, and it's just a perfect distance to give me a bit of the old bokeh or bokeh blurry background in the distance. And with how nice the light is as well, it's just perfect setup. You can see all the seed on there. But if they come up here, up this end, it looks a little bit better, I suppose. But say for the perch shots, I just keep the shutter speed quite slow, as slow as I dare. Then obviously just use something around wherever you can lean on, just to steady the camera, because it's quite a hefty lens. And I've got the A7IV on here today, which has been pretty reliable so far. Apparently I've had a lot of issues with the shutter curtains breaking and stuff, but so far, touch wood, mine's been alright. I don't even know how many actuations it's done now, but I brought the camera new like about 2 years ago now. But obviously I've still got my A6700 as a backup if it does give up. But it's been a very good camera for me. I just thought I'd bring the A7IV out today to get these shots because they get a bit more you see the J just coming in, but yeah, you get a bit more depth to the foreground to the background. It's because it's a full frame camera, and it's probably a little bit more detail because it's 33 megapixels instead of I think it's 20, maybe 25. I think in the A6700. I'm not too sure. Not sure it's 20 odd megapixels in the other camera. You can see how easy it is just to get a shot. They just come here and make sure you have, if you've got it, put it on silent. Because I've noticed that really does spook the birds if you have the shutter going a lot. Let's see if this J comes back down. He's still sat up on the tree in a minute. Hopefully he'll swoop back down. Get another couple of shots of him. I feel like the blue tits and have got used to me now. So hopefully that'll encourage the J to come down and feed. It's just a waiting game now. I noticed as well, if you want to get really nice shots, make sure your subject is like eye level. It definitely helps for a better shot. And obviously good light like this, like stunning. I'm gonna leave it there a minute. I'll come back in a minute. Well, sadly, still no kingfisher yet. It's just very quiet on the kingfisher front. I'm just a little bit worried that they've nested somewhere else this time. But hoping to see him again, but just have to see. Let's get out of here now. Another lovely day up in the Hyde as always. It's just always good to get out into nature and just listen to all the sounds and everything. You just need a bit of relaxing sounds, or just doing something that's not in a city or too much noise and stuff. Well, that's how I feel anyway, but yeah, hopefully you like the images I managed to capture. I know we've still got some of the same old, like robins and great tits and stuff, but with the light being as nice as it is, it's always a win. And it's, like I say, it's good to just keep on practicing, and you can like learn how to lower the ISO for just a more clearer image and stuff. But yeah, so hopefully all the leaves and that and the trees and stuff will be back eventually. You can just feel it's just starting, spring starting. I hope I don't curse it now, but it's so nice. I'm like literally in a t-shirt. I'm a little bit cold now because I'm out of the sun, but it's a very nice day today. So up there is like buzzard. Yeah, buzzard up there, up in the sky up there. But they never really come close over here. He's just hovering up there. But I shall put some of my photos up in the video as always, and I'll see you back in the car. Well, just tried out some more practicing on trying to get the birds in flight, but you have to have a bit more time because I need to. I've got to go out, so I'll have to come back here again. But I just want to say thank you for watching. If you enjoy the pictures and videos and stuff, and like I always say, please comment, like and subscribe, because I'd always want to get better with my images and stuff. Because like I say, all these little birds that I'm photographing, it's all good practice for if you see like what I had on the last video with the barn owls and stuff. So it's all good practice. But thank you for watching the video, and look forward to seeing you again next time. So take care, bye for now.